To make Rocky Road, you'll need 100 grams of lolly snakes, 100 grams of lolly berries, 100 grams of marshmallows, 150 grams of Scotch finger biscuits, a total of 350 grams of milk chocolate. Start by cutting the snakes in small pieces. Next, cut the berry lollies in small pieces. Cut marshmallows in quarters. Break the Scotch finger biscuits in small bite-sized pieces. In a large microwave-safe bowl, add 320 grams of the chocolate. Place the bowl in the microwave and melt the chocolate on 30-second intervals. Once chocolate is melted, stir the chocolate with a spatula. Add the 30 grams of unmelted chocolate to the melted chocolate. This will melt and lower the temperature of the chocolate. Add biscuits, snakes and berries and marshmallows to the chocolate and stir to combine. Line a square 23cm tin with baking paper. Place Rocky Road mixture into the tin and press gently into the base. Place Rocky Road into the fridge for 1 hour to set. Remove Rocky Road from the fridge and the tin, then slice into desired portions. Like this recipe, subscribe, like and leave a comment.